In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson ColorWorks C6500A series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go ahead and search for, in the Google, Epson ColorWorks C6500A support. And one of the best results should be a domain that says epson.com. That's where you want to go. Epson ColorWorks CW-C6500A support. Go ahead and open that up. And then under operating system, click the drop down and select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. And then expand the driver section and then select the print driver listed in here. Once it's on your device, open up that file. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes to continue. Should be signed by Epson. And then you just would continue with the print utility wizard on the screen, just getting it configured for your device preferences. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.